Electronegativity is a property of atoms. It describes an atom's ability to attract and hold onto electrons when it's bonded to another atom. Think of it like this. Atoms are kind of like people at a party. Some atoms are really good at drawing people or electrons to them, others not so much. Electronegativity is a way of measuring how attractive an atom is to those electrons. Now, we measure electronegativity on a scale called the Pauling scale. It usually ranges from 0.7 to 4.0. An atom with a higher number on the scale is more electronegative, meaning it's better at pulling electrons toward itself. Fluorine, for example, is the most electronegative element. It has a value of 4.0. It's super good at attracting electrons. On the other end, elements like cesium have a much lower electronegativity. Electronegativity is important because it helps us predict how atoms will behave in molecules. Take water, for example, which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so it pulls electrons closer to itself. So how do we know if an element is electronegative? There's actually a trend on the periodic table. Electronegativity increases as you move across a period, that's from left to right, and decreases as you move down a group. Why are some elements so good at attracting electrons? It mainly depends on two things: atomic size and nuclear charge. Smaller atoms have electrons closer to their nucleus, so they can pull them in more tightly. Elements on the right side of the periodic table have more protons in their nucleus, which means a stronger positive charge to attract electrons. So to sum it up, electronegativity is an atom's ability to attract electrons. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Electronegativity trends increase across a period and decrease down a group on the periodic table. It's key for understanding how atoms bond and behave in molecules. I hope that cleared up what electronegativity is. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome science content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.